Hey there, Kickstarters! We wanted to let you know about how our Bones gaming miniatures are doing. Since we launched in March, the demand has been phenomenal. A full third of the figures we ship have been one of our Bones, and that's only with 12 figures in the line. Now we want to take this to the next level. Wouldn't you love to have more Bones figures, character models, the big ones too, all with superior detail and an amazing price? Now, you might have seen this before. You can have it good, fast, or cheap, and you can pick any two. But not really. These things aren't cheap to produce. The upfront cost for molds is pretty high, so cheap is off the list. That leaves us with good and fast. Now, you know it's going to be good. We're Reaper. We've earned that much over the years, so fast is left. The thing is, when do you want these? We could take this slow and steady, double this line, year and a half, or continue to grow it the next several years. But remember, Dark Heaven took nearly 20 years to get to its current size. You want us to help us explode this line right now? Original character sculpts, giants, dragons? We don't want to wait. Our starting goal is $30,000 to get up to extra 30 models as soon as possible. Simple as that. We have some awesome rewards for you to check out below, such as design your own mini packages, stacking collections of models, even an exclusive Kickstarter only Sophie model you can't get anywhere else. Now, if we blow the lid off this thing, we've already started thinking about some amazing stretch goals to reward your support. Together, we can make Bones your best gaming miniatures on the planet. So, what do you say, Kickstarters? It's in your hands.